Natural body care with salt bath and mud bath. Natural body care is an important part of maintaining good health and well-being. Salt baths and mud baths are two popular treatments that can help improve the skin, reduce inflammation, and provide relaxation. Salt baths are typically made with Epsom salt or sea salt, which is believed to draw out toxins and impurities from the body. Mud baths, on the other hand, involve soaking in a mixture of clay, mud, and other natural ingredients. These baths can help to soften and hydrate the skin, while also providing a sense of relaxation. Both treatments can be beneficial for overall health and can be enjoyed in the comfort of your home. When using either treatment, it is important to follow the instructions carefully and to avoid overexposure. Additionally, it is important to use natural products that are free of chemicals and other additives. Natural body care with salt baths and mud baths can be an enjoyable and beneficial way to improve your overall well-being. Natural body care has become increasingly popular in recent years as people seek alternatives to chemical-laden products. Two natural body care methods that have been used for centuries are salt baths and mud baths. Salt baths are a simple and effective way to relax and detoxify the body. Salt contains minerals such as magnesium, potassium, and calcium, which can be absorbed through the skin during a bath. This can help to soothe sore muscles, reduce inflammation, and promote relaxation. Salt baths can also help to detoxify the body by drawing out toxins through the skin. This can be especially beneficial for those with skin conditions such as eczema or psoriasis. To take a salt bath, simply add about a cup of sea salt or Epsom salt to warm bath water and soak for 20 to 30 minutes. You can also add essential oils or herbs to enhance the experience. After the bath, be sure to rinse off in the shower to remove any remaining salt residue. Mud baths are another natural body care method that can provide numerous health benefits. Mud is rich in minerals such as magnesium, calcium, and silica, which can be absorbed through the skin. This can help to improve skin health, reduce inflammation, and soothe sore muscles. Mud baths can also help to detoxify the body by drawing out toxins through the skin. To take a mud bath, you can either visit a spa or create your own mud bath at home. If you choose to create your own, you can purchase mud or clay powder from a health food store or online retailer. Mix the powder with warm water to create a paste, then apply it to your body and let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off in the shower to remove any remaining mud residue. When using natural body care methods such as salt baths and mud baths, it is important to be aware of any allergies or skin sensitivities you may have. It is also important to stay hydrated before and after the bath to prevent dehydration. While these natural body care methods can provide numerous benefits, it is important to remember that they should not replace medical treatment for any health conditions. In conclusion, salt baths and mud